Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to be helping you with how to change your group name on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Roblox app over here. When you are on the Roblox app to access your groups, go over to the bottom right-hand corner of your Roblox app and touch on these three dots, from which you can see the groups option. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And here is where all your groups are, where you can just join an existing group, browse through any of these groups, or you can create a new group by clicking this button over here. Now, just before you create the group, you type in the name over here. Then you will have your description and all that, and afterward, you will pay for all this. However, what this doesn't inform you of would be that you can't just change the Roblox group name after it has already been created. So when everything is created and you've paid for it, there's really no option to change that on the app or even online. The one and the only way to make it work is to file an appeal with customer service, which I believe is a bit absurd since you're paying for this. You should just be able to change your group name, but the potential solution is to email them and request this. You need to get out of here now. Then go to your Gmail and tap on this compose button over here to send an email to info@roblox.com. With the subject group name issue. I just entered a relatively short basic summary. You just have to tell them that you're not really informed that you just cannot change your name later, that you typed in a random name just because you could not even think of a name when you created your group, and that you paid for this, and also that you really would like to change it. Also, send them your username, your group name, and the new group name that you want. Fingers crossed, they will help you with this situation. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe.